Okay guys, this is the back of the house. We got sort of like a hunting camp. They call it the pit. That's where we play cards and stuff like that. There's a back property here. We zoom in. That's where all the deer come from. There's some huge bucks that have been through there. Over here is the pond. That's where the ducks are usually. We used to have a fountain going pretty much every day, but we don't during the winter time. But I'm going out to let the ducks out, and they're out late last night, so I got them a little time to sleep in. This is just the setup for the chickens and the rooster, who's Doc, and I think you can hear the ducks in the background. Wait 1 second here. See, they're flying right towards the pond. See, they're getting a little fat though. There's a couple of them that are really waddling. I'm trying to feed them good. Sorry about the moving up and down. It's hard to videotape and walk at the same time, I guess. You got a little hut for them out back. These things are really cool to have as pets. And like the adjoining property out back over here, like there's usually different wildlife like ducks and cranes that'll come in, and they'll actually join in with the ducks and be in the pond with them, which is really cool. Well, you guys, I'm going to send you some more videos. This is my first time, well, second time using this camera, so hopefully it did a decent job. Just got to make sure I get the audio correct. I'll just record them for a little bit longer here. That way the kids can see them. Alright, I'm going to go back up. I'm going to show you guys Doc, which is the rooster, and the chickens. One of them's got his butt hanging out. There's Doc. No, Doc, you gotta stay inside though. Okay. We have, I don't know if you guys can see them very good. I just can't let them out. 3 chickens and a rooster. Well, I hope you guys will come and visit soon. I know you're going to Dad's, but hopefully you get up here maybe for a day or something like that so I can show you the animals. If not, I'll just videotape them for you guys. All right, well, Uncle Cubby out. Love you guys. Peace.